Okay, so this is a video review for the Stop Nail Biting nail polish. This is a normal OPI regular polish, and this is the Stop Nail Biting. So they're pretty similar in size. It says it's about 12 mLs or 0.4 ounces, and it has a pretty wide brush, and then you just apply it to the nail. It smells kind of fruity a little bit. I'm gonna wait for it to dry, and then I'm gonna test it. Just in comparison, this one doesn't have it, this one has it. Maybe just a little bit shinier. Oh, it tastes pretty nasty. So it will make you stop biting your nails or eating or sucking your thumb. I got it for our 3-year-old that doesn't stop sucking her thumb.
How does it taste? Bitter?
It tastes pretty bitter, and it's all where it was applied in the nail. So hoping this will work.